Dude, this morning, the boys are freezing. Calgary, I just want you to know, your weather makes no sense. I'm not a fan of it. Yesterday we kind of planned to get here like not super early, but like, I don't know, 11 so we could clean the 240 because we didn't bring quick detail and we didn't bring rags. I don't know how much we even showed you yesterday. It was kind of just mayhem, but we didn't do a very good job getting the cars cleaned yesterday, and we were supposed to be here early and kind of fix that, and we all slept in, and I don't know what the hell we're doing this morning, but we don't have much time to figure this out. Oh baby, look at the 240 from here. Why does your car look like a freshly dipped candy apple? Oh yeah, that's hot. What did we get ourselves into, man? This is unreal. I actually can't believe that we're here. This is crazy. I'm gonna try my best to get some footage of today. I've never done an event like this. No idea what the video is gonna turn out like, but let's send it. We tried to detail the 240 last night, but like the rag we had was so dirty, dude. Look at this. This is just garbage. That's from the pressure wash, but like I wiped this whole car down and look at this. Look at the lines. And that is how we started today. I'm sorry about your coffee, bro. It's all over my pants. It's all over the floor. Rough go. Everybody's donating all their coffee into one cup for Brad since I spilled it on the ground. This is it, boys. This is the booth. This is what we got set up. I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. I think it's pretty cool. They just opened it to the public, so me and Emerson are gonna try and find some quick detail and get the 240 looking a little bit sharper than it was last night. Oh baby, the display on this car is just unreal. How are you?
Oh, Robbie, what up?
What's up, buddy?
What are you doing here?
I know you're busy, but
long way from home.
Yeah, man. These things look unreal.
Yeah. Oh,
you couldn't even grasp it in the video of like how much they came out.
Battle Arrow guys did really good. Like I matched these up with the prototypes I made a few months back, and these lined up so well. So yeah,
it's so sick. It's so like.
But this is why I have this sign, man. I don't want my kids just running around and like one accidental trip. Boom,
right on it. Birdie the man, hooking us up. I can do this. I can do that. I can get behind that. Yeah. You want me to show you something? Yep. You want to see my next build? Yeah. So here you'll see an R32. Yeah. That's not the money. That's right here. This is the money. That's next. Is this what we're building? That's gonna be our next build. Shouldn't say like next. Yeah. But it will one day. One day.
You too. Yo, these guys are far away from home.
Crazy to me is that I met you at Stanford, Seattle last year.
Yeah.
And I was like, just a fan came up and said hi. Now we're in the same event.
Not even, man.
Like that's crazy to me.
I'm a fan. It's you, okay? Yeah, I got a lot of inspiration from these kids because they actually like one of the main YouTubers that actually do stuff to their cars by themselves in the garage. So yeah, that's saying something. It's all about learning, right? Learning and failing and then learning again.
How many handshakes? How many photos?
7 handshakes, 4 photos.
Oh, buddy, guys getting famous, eh? There you go. There's something really cool over here that I'm not exactly sure how it happened, but I kind of want to go check it out, and I want to show you guys because it's like something super unique that I would do.
That's so sick.
And it looks kind of cool. Dude, you don't really see these things. Why, buddy? This is a Rocket Money V1 from a BRZ on an Eclipse. Like, how cool is that? That's unreal. The cool thing is, I'm gonna do that one day. Like 100% that color.
Wheels are chirping.
So everything's shutting down right now. Everybody's about to roll out, but shout out again. We always shout out Derpy. Shout out to Derpy because on the way here, I don't know if I showed you guys or not. I can't really remember, but Emerson burnt through his brake master cylinder. Message Simon, and Simon was like, yo, one of my friends is coming to the show right now to bring it to you. And this guy came to the show today, came in the show and brought us a brake master cylinder for the 240. So shout out to that guy. Thank you very much for doing that. We're gonna leave right now. Well, I don't know how the hell we're supposed to get out of here, but we gotta get out of here and install that so we can make it home tomorrow morning. Also, the Civic always starts on the second try only, so this is gonna be awesome and embarrassing. Will the boys be rolling? Oh, first try, hell yeah! Oh my god.
I like to love you night and day, if I may.
We just crushed a dinner at Jack Astor's. Jack Astor's is like mine and Courtney's spot back home, and there's none in Vancouver. When we moved to Vancouver, there's literally no Jack Astor's. So we were super stoked that this was like 20 minutes from the Airbnb. We broke something really bad on the Civic. Like when I'm driving, you gotta see the shift knob. Like this shift knob, when I go in and out, like on and off gas, it legit moves like this much. Like it's brutal when I let on and off the throttle. We might have straight up broke a motor mount or something. So we're gonna rip over to Birdie's shop. Super honored to be able to actually go there and like see it in person. And we're gonna change Emerson's brake reservoir, put the fluid in, and maybe figure out what's wrong with my motor. I don't really know. What was that? My whole car bottomed out.
Yeah, same.
The fuck was that?
There's a huge mountain in the middle. Yeah, like the two sides of the roads, like where the wheels go, they fucking sunk.
It looks so much different in person. Even the Beamer looks different in person. I totally get when all you guys come to me and you're like, wow, man, your car looks so much different in person. Like, this is crazy being here. Everything looks so much different. Damn, dude, this is crazy. Thank you, buddy, I appreciate it. Dude, we bottomed out so hard in front of your shop. What the hell is that?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, no. Yeah, this is a pretty nice space too. Can we check out upstairs? I want to see everything. Come show me, show me, show me.
Sure.
Yeah.
I did say
Dude, this is so cool.
I did say that.
One of these motor mounts or something has to be loose or broken.
I'm gonna move the exhaust, and we're gonna figure out why it's doing this.
No, like every time I shift, I hear it smacking shit. Look at that. It's the rear one. Yeah, the rear one's toast. The T-bracket's totally toast.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah. Did it break right off?
break.
You snapped the bolt.
The bolt snapped?
We're putting 14 to 15 hours driving to this. Oh, touch the T-bolt. I don't know what a T-bolt is.
Oh my god.
Too much boost, too much power.
Right here, this T-bracket is a motor mount. We're missing both bolts out of it. That one, you can kind of see snapped halfway in there. And then the actual mount up there, no bolt either. Literally broke 2 motor mount bolts. How does that even happen, man?
See this? This is what it's supposed to look like? Okay, now look at that.
That is in the back. That goes through this.
I thought we had one.
What was your name?
Lawrence.
Thank you very much, Lawrence. Lawrence literally showed up and he brought this entire thing of bolts for the Civ. So we put one through the motor mount up here, and then we can't really find one that's gonna go into the transmission, but I'm just gonna start it up really quick and see how it shakes. Because like if it's not shaking horribly, we can send it home and it should be all right.
That's so much better.
All right, so everything's as tight as it's gonna get. I cranked everything down. I mean, it is what it is. Hopefully it's gonna get us home. Thankfully that bolt showed up, so like the motor's not swaying as much. We started it up, and it seems to be as good as it's gonna get. So as long as we make it home without breaking more shit, I think we're good. What are you doing? You putting the old Red Bull thing back on there?
Put my little invention on.
Sauce a little bit of heat tape on there when you get it on?
Yeah.
We'll make it extra heat tape. I really appreciate you letting us fix our pieces of shit in here.
Guys, have a good night.
You too.
Today's video kind of was really short and sweet and all over the place, and I'm sorry it was a little bit sloppy, but I've never done an event like that, like the full day, and had to film it and do it, and it was just like, the video is kind of sloppy, but it was an unreal experience. So shout out to everybody that came by the booth. I think a lot of the reason there was no footage is because I literally was talking to you guys all day long. Like I didn't even get a chance to eat. It was crazy. I love you guys for coming out. Thank you guys so much for supporting us. It was insane to see like the amount of support we had. And it was also really cool to meet up with some people. Really cool to go to Birdie's shop. Like I never thought I'd end up there watching videos and stuff that go down there. I never thought I would actually be there. So that was super cool. Thank you to Birdie for helping us out, giving us a place to work inside from the snowy weather. It was crazy. It was an unreal experience, and I've definitely learned from this one what I can do better for a video next time, but I still just wanted to document the fact that we even did this. It was super crazy. Thank you guys for everything. I love you guys. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.